Pride and Prejudice? Pride and Prejudice, and we're drinking some cold pops. While we're on our way to Duluth.
And then maybe we'll have a belching contest.
Maybe we'll have a belching contest right now. Here. I'm kind of juggling two things at once. Go ahead, Mom.
What?
Belch.
I can't belch on the bed.
Okay. Go ahead. I'll go. Let's see what you got.
I'll let you know when I'm ready. How's that?
Okay, bye.